Kicking off this list, we have a 1965 Ford Thunderbird listed for $3,200 in Los Angeles, California. This classic coupe has driven 88,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is green, giving it that vintage look. The seller highlights a fresh rebuilt 390 motor with less than 100 miles on it, along with a new radiator, carburetor, cables, spark plugs, starter, gas pump, and battery. However, the transmission is not working. The seller is firm on the price, emphasizing that they have invested more in the engine and parts than what they're asking for. If you're in the market for a restoration project with a solid engine, this Thunderbird might be worth a look. Next, we have a rare find, a 1970 Ford Ranchero GT listed for $4,800 in Gardnerville, Nevada. This classic car has driven 100,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is gray and the interior is black. Under the hood, it's powered by a 351 4V Cleveland engine, and it features a 9-inch Posey rear end. The seller mentions that it runs and drives well with only minor rust bubbles. Described as a garage find, this Ranchero is perfect for cruising to car shows or your local burger joint. For those looking for a project car, here's a 1978 Chevy Nova 350 listed for $5,000 in Colton, California. This Nova is in good condition with a 350 small block engine and a new carburetor. It starts, runs, and drives, making it an excellent candidate for a restoration project. The seller notes that it needs some TLC and is open to trades for a pickup. With some work, this Nova could be a real head-turner. Check out this 1982 Cadillac Eldorado listed for $3,500 in Coolidge, Arizona. This classic luxury car has driven 80,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a blue exterior and matching blue interior. The Eldorado is described as being in excellent condition, running and driving smoothly. However, the AC needs repair. The seller is open to trades for a truck or SUV, making this a great opportunity for someone looking to own a piece of American luxury history. Up next is a 1975 Mercury Montego, listed for $4,900 in Encino, California. This sedan has driven 77,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is red, and under the hood, it's powered by a 351 engine. The seller mentions that the car drives smoothly, with a new AC system recently installed. This Montego is an original special edition with low mileage, making it a unique find. The seller is eager to move the car quickly and is open to trades. Here's a 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass listed for $5,000 in Modesto, California. This Cutlass has over 81,000 original miles and features an automatic transmission. It's currently sitting on 22-inch rims, but the seller also has the stock rally wheels available. The car needs paint and interior work, but it's a solid foundation for someone looking to restore a classic. With its iconic styling and powerful engine, this Cutlass could be a fantastic project. For Dodge enthusiasts, take a look at this 1964 Dodge Dart GT 2-door, listed for $5,000 in Green Bay, Wisconsin. This classic car has driven 76,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is beige and the interior is black. The seller describes it as running well with a push-button automatic transmission. It's in fairly good shape overall, making it a solid candidate for a restoration or even a daily driver. Drive it home and enjoy the classic car experience. For those who appreciate mid-century American classics, here's a 1957 Pontiac Super Chief Deluxe, listed for $4,900 in Desert Hot Springs, California. This car has driven 57,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior are both brown. The Super Chief is described as being in very good shape with no rust, though it's currently missing the transmission. This solid project car is a rare find and could be restored to its former glory with the right care. Next, we have a 1955 Chrysler Imperial sedan listed for $3,000 in Sonoma, California. This rare find has driven just over 23,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is black and the interior is gray. This two-owner barn-find car has been sitting since 1973, and the Hemi engine may be seized. The car requires a full restoration as the mice have destroyed most of the interior, and there's some minor rust at the base of the trunk. Despite its condition, this Imperial is a piece of automotive history and could be a rewarding project for a dedicated restorer. Check out this 1972 Pontiac Catalina, listed for $2,950 in Clio, Michigan. This car has driven 23,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is white and the interior is black. The seller mentions that the 400 2BBL engine is healthy. The transmission shifts smoothly and the car stops fine. It has a solid underside and the seller has a ton of documentation from the original owner. While the car isn't in perfect condition, it's in good shape and could be driven home. The seller is asking $2,950 or best offer and is willing to include some additional parts for the right deal. Finally, we have a 1987 Chevrolet Sprint base listed for $900 in Reno, Nevada. This retro classic has driven 45,000 miles and features a manual transmission. The exterior and interior are both blue. The seller describes it as a mechanic's special, as it has a gas leak near the engine bay and needs a new clutch. Despite these issues, the car runs and could be a quick fix for someone handy. With its 3-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, this Sprint could be a fun and economical project for the right buyer. If any of these classic cars pique your interest, be sure to reach out to the sellers and arrange a viewing. Each one offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, whether you're looking for a restoration project or a car to enjoy as is. Don't miss your chance to snag one of these vintage vehicles.